Hi, this is Simmi George. I was enrolled with Y-Axis IELTS coaching last year in July 2021, and my tutor was Miss Lavita. I highly recommend her classes to anyone who is looking for IELTS coaching. She is very knowledgeable, great person, and she gives lots of tips and tricks that you need to follow as it is. And she also recommended us to take test within 2 months, but I was not able to take the test due to some personal reasons, and that's how Y-Axis LMS portal came in handy. And I used to practice every single day, and December I wrote my IELTS test. Even though it was my first test, I was able to get a good score. I highly recommend Y-Axis and Miss Lavita Rao's classes for anyone who is looking for IELTS coaching. Thank you.